Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress as a Christmas tree on Dress to Impress. So you're going to make your whole entire skin color green. Just going to make it like this kind of green color, and you don't need to add face to it. Go here and you're going to basically use the Afro hairstyle, which is right here. Just going to paste the same color, sorry. And I'm also going to use this outfit, place it on. Then you're going to need the Cupcake outfit here, and you're going to color it green except for the sprinkles. You're going to color it like Christmas colors, like this. I don't really know, but you're just going to do that and make it look like the decor on it. Then you're going to go to one of the changing rooms here to get this dress. So I had a hard time finding where the dress was, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's in codes. Oh, I found it. Wait, where did it go? Okay, I'm just gonna go to codes. And then for the first, you're going to color it green. And for the second one, you're going to color it... actually, let's use something else. We'll need the VIP dress instead for the tree trunk. And we're going to use that. And then we're going to go back to the changing rooms, and we're going to use the puffy skirt here, and we're going to color everything. You don't need to add the layer, so just disable it, and you're just going to leave it like that. You can have another layer of dress underneath if you want to, maybe this one. If I can just put it on. Oops. Sorry, it happens when I try to copy and paste codes. I'm just gonna use that one. Just make color the same. Then we're going to need this crown. Whoa, what just happened? We need this crown from codes. And we're going to color this just yellow, so we're just going to copy and paste that. Then once you're done, we will need the pumpkin, which is here. I'm going to color the same green. Oops, sees. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, color the same as the tree, and you're going to place it on the head one. Oops, sorry. You can add more final details to it and make it your own, but this is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!